Now let's start creating products in our website. Okay, and now in the demo website, this is a simple product. Let's get started. First, simple products. What is simple product? A simple product has one price, no variations, one product option. Examples like mobile accessories, headphones, books, etc. So first, let's create this simple product. So let me select this simple product. Here you can see I will show you how to add this simple product, like product name, star ratings, like this is a regular price and this is a discounted price. How to add this product image, short description, stock management, okay, and quantity management, SKU, categories, tags, description, long description, additional information, and reviews. Okay, I will show you how to add this. To learn in-depth tutorials about e-commerce website designing, first you can visit my channel BBSHARED Web Developer, and if you visit my website, here you can see I have created 6+ servers free e-commerce website designing course 2026, where in this course you will learn complete e-commerce website designing course, like how to create simple product, variable product, group product, affiliate product, virtual product, how to integrate payment gateway, shipping methods, and all. Okay, so visit my channel and watch this video. I will put this link in the last of this video thumbnail, and also I have kept this link below this video description. Please do check and watch this entire 6 hours plus video to become professional in e-commerce website designing. So let's go to backend of the website. Go to this products option, click on this products option, and here you need to select this add new product. Under product section, click on this add new product. Now let me copy this title. It's a title, and here you need to add the product title. Okay, and let's copy this short description. Only 3 lines is enough for the short description, and let me paste. You need to scroll down here and you need to paste over here for the short description. Okay, for long description you need to select this long description, and in the products description here you need to add this long description. Please do paste this. Okay, and also before adding the products, click on the screen options, and here you need to enable all the options like custom fields, slug, okay, everything, and click on the layout as 2 columns. Okay, you need to select all these options and close this screen options. Okay, and here after adding the products, you can customize, like you can format this text also. If you want this like Nirvana 751 ANC, so you can make it as bold, or you can change the paragraph heading as 1, or else you can change it as paragraph. Okay, you can make italic, and also if I click on this toolbar, you can change the color of the text also as per your requirement. Okay, and here also you can change the format. Let me select this, and you can change to like heading 5. Okay, and you can also add links, images. Okay, if you want to add any images in this section, so you can select this toolbar option. You can click on this add media. If you want to add this image, let me click on this insert image. So here you can see that's how you can add image, and if you select this image, you can customize the text as per your requirement. Okay, so let me close this. Okay, that's how you can customize. There are many options available. You can add link to a particular text. Okay, as per your requirements, you can copy paste it, you can add strike, and you can make it as bullet points. Let me select this, and you can make it as in the point section or bullet points as per your requirements. Okay, so after making the changes, click on this publish option. Okay, now we have added product title, product description, short description, and long description, and here on the left side we need to add the product image. Click on this select product image, go to upload files, click on select files, and this is the product image I'm going to add this product. And so let me select this product image and click on set product image, and you can update it every time when you change any changes in this settings. You have to update this in order to save the settings. Okay, after adding the product image, and here for the product data, this is a simple product, so in the product data section you need to select this simple product. Okay, and here you need to add like regular price. So for this regular price, let me add like 1999. Okay, this is the regular price. Let me click on this update option, and now let's click on this preview changes option. So here you can see this is a single product page. Okay, we have added the like product title, and this is a regular price, and this is a short description. We can add categories, and this is a long description. Okay, and also after adding all the product details and all, I will show you how to customize this single product page. Okay, so now this is a regular price. In order to add like discounted price, you can also add sale price too. Okay, so let me add sale price as 1499 and click on this update option. Let's click on this preview changes, and this is a regular price and this is a sale price. Okay, you can add, and now let's go to backend, and here you can also add tax status, like if it is taxable, you can select this taxable option. If it is non-taxable, you can select none. Okay, and you can select the tax class like 12%, GST 5%, or tax 5%. So let me select GST 5% for this electronic item.
Before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is BBSHARED and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant, and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly.
And also here you can see this is a product category. So let me click on this add new category, and here let me add like simple product. Okay, click on add new category. Let me enable this, and here you can add tags also like headset. Okay, as per your requirements, like boat, you can add like headset and boat categories. And here you can also add brands like as per your requirement. If it is from boat, so let me select boat brand, click on add new. Okay, so let me click on update option. Let me click on update option, and after making the changes you can click on this preview changes option. Okay, and this is a category, tags and brand. These are the options. It will be visible like this. And also if you scroll down, click on this inventory option, you can also add SKU, like it is a stock keeping unit. What is SKU? SKU means like it is a unique code for a particular product. Okay, let me add like SKU as headset 001. Okay, and you ignore this, so we don't need this option. And you can also enable stock management. If I enable this stock management, you can add like how many number of products this product is having, like how many number of quantity this type of product is having. Like I am having this quantity as 50 quantity. Okay, let me click on update option. So let me click on this update option and click on this preview changes. And now here you can see we have added the SKU, category, tags and brand name. Okay, and if you click on this quantity option, you can select the quantity as per your requirement. I have selected the quantity as 50 over here. Okay, so let me click on update and click on preview changes. Here you can see it is showing the stock quantity as 50 in stock. If someone purchases, like if few members purchase like 5 products have been sold, okay, immediately the quantity will be reduced to from 50 to 45. So that's how we can maintain the stock management also. And if we come to the back end, so click on this inventory option. Here you can see allow back orders. What is this option? Okay, what is this allow back orders option? Okay, so if I select this do not allow option, okay, if I go to the front end, here you can see this product is having quantity of 50 in stock. Okay, if these 50 quantity has been sold out, and it will show like 0 in stock option. Okay, after that if I select this back or do not allow option, means this button, add to cart button will be disabled, and we will be not able to add the quantity also after the when it is show like 0 in stock. Okay, after all the quantity has been sold out. Okay, if I enable this option, even though after 50 quantity has been sold out, it will show like 0 in stock. Even though it is shows 0 in stock, this add to cart button will not be disabled at that time. Okay, so the customer can order even though it will show like 0 in stock. Okay, when the product is in stock, so it will get dispatched from the website. And let me go back to website, and here you can see you can enable the stock or low stock threshold option also. What is this option? If I select this low stock threshold as 5, okay, let me click on update option. Here you can see like we are having 50 in stock. If 45 products have been sold out from the 50 quantity, and only 5 products will be in stock. Okay, when this number reaches to from 50 to 5, so immediately the owner will receive a notification through email, so that this particular product is having only 5 products in the stock. Please do update the stock, so that the owner will receive this email. So please do update the stock in your website. Let me click on this update option, and let me select this, and again let me select this inventory option. And here what is this option? Sold individually. If I enable this option, here you can see if I don't enable this option, so we can add as many quantity as possible for a single order, in a single order. Okay, I can add like 100 products also. Okay, as per my requirements. Okay, if I enable this like a sold individually option, like it will show like limit purchase to 1 item per order. If I enable this and click on update option, let me click on this preview changes. Here now you will not be able to see this quantity option. Before we are able to add the quantity as like 5 in products, we can select the quantity as 1 or 2 or 3. But whenever I enable this option like limit purchase to 1 item order, only for the single order you can purchase only 1 quantity of this particular product. Okay, let me click on this add to cart option, and here you will not be able to add multiple quantity. Okay, so that's how this option will work. Okay, so let me disable this option, click on update, and now let's go to shipping option, and here you can add dimensions also for this particular product. So let me add like grams as 200 grams, and length it will be like 35, width 30, like height will be like 12 centimeters. Okay, and you can also add shipping classes. So in the end of this video I will cover this shipping class option. Okay, after adding these dimensions, please do click on this update option, and let me click on this preview changes option. And here you can see if I go to this additional option, here you can see these are the additional information about this particular product, like weight and dimensions. Those information will be visible over here. Now here in the gallery section, let's add images. So I want to change this image. So let me first select these images, click on upload files, select files. Let me upload all these images. So first, let me select this image. This is a primary image I want to select, and click on this add product gallery and click on control option and select all these options for the gallery. Now to add the gallery. So you can also adjust them by dragging and dropping like this in the first place or the second place, wherever you want to place those images as per your requirements. Okay. So after adding the gallery section, click on update. And here you can see that's how we can create this simple product. So now let's click on this preview changes option. Here you can see we have added all the details of this simple product. Okay. And that's how we will add a simple product in our website. This is a simple product. It is having only single variation. It is not having multiple variations. Okay. Only single color and single design. Okay, unique design. And let's come to this all products option, and here I want to show you like few more features. Like if I click on this edit product, this simple product, let me take this simple product option. So let's go to edit product, and here you can see we can also, like I have shown you like a regular price and the sale price, and we can also schedule this sale price too. Okay, so right now if I click on this previous option, preview changes, here we have visited this website. Okay, so this is a like regular price is a 1999 and this is a sale price. Okay, we can also schedule this selling price like discounted price. We can schedule like suppose and this is a February month, and upcoming days there is a Valentine's Day. Okay, so right now we can schedule the sale price also. Right now let me click on schedule and let me change from February 14th to February 25th. I can change this sale price. I can schedule this sale price. Okay, from this date, from February 14th to like February 25th date, this sale price will be like this product price will be like 1499. Until then, until 13th, the product price will be visible as 1999 only. If I schedule this price, sale price, click on update. After updating, click on preview changes. So here you can see now the original price is 1999. Here you can see the original price will be, the regular price will be 1999 unless the 14th date has come. So on that day from 14th, like 12 a.m. the price will change from 1999 to like 1499. That's how we can schedule the sale price also, like discounted price as per our requirements. Okay, and also one more feature, here you can see this is a publish, and you can also schedule the products. Okay, right now if I click on the shop page, whatever the products I have created, those products will be visible in the shop page. Okay, the shop page is also called as archive page. Okay, products archive page. So you can also schedule this products also. Okay, as per your requirements. Here you can see if the status is published, let me click on this edit option. Here you can see it is published. If you want to make it in draft option, click on draft, click on OK and update it. And now this simple product will not be visible in the shop page. Let me click on this shop page again, and here you can see the simple product will not be visible until I change the status from draft to published. Okay, or else you can click on this publish option. If I click on this publish option, the product will be published. Okay, now the product status has been changed from draft to published. Now let me refresh this page. Let me click on this shop page again, and here you can see the simple product page has been again visible. Okay, and also you can make the visibility public, or you can make it as password protected or private also. But in e-commerce all the products should be visible to public. Okay, always select this public option. Okay, and also you can schedule this product also. Okay, you can schedule this published product. Okay, if I click on this edit option, I want this product to be visible from 14th of February. Okay, right now I will add heading, subheading, prices, images and everything, but this product should not be visible until the 14th date. Okay, right now today is like February 10th. Okay, so let me change from 7th to 14. Okay, sorry, 2nd Feb, 14th date and 2026. Let me click on OK and let me click on schedule. You can in this way we can schedule the products also. If I click on this preview changes, the product will be visible over here, but if I go to the shop page, the product will not be visible in the shop page. Okay, so no one can see this product until 14th February. Okay, because I scheduled this products. Until then the product will not be visible in the our website. Okay, in Amazon also you can see like the few products will be launched in particular date, like February 14th. Like Apple product is launching on this date. So whenever the launch date has come, immediately the products will be visible in the Amazon website. So that's how they schedule the products. They already upload the products in the website, but they change the status from like published to schedule. Okay, so they can schedule the products until that particular date. Okay, so right now I will change from, I will give 9 only because I want to publish this product, and I have updated the dates to yesterday. Okay, so now again the product will be visible in the shop page. Let me click on refresh option. Here you can see the product is visible again. Okay, And also you can make the catalog visibility as per your requirement. If you want to show this product in shop page and the search results, you can enable this. If you want to show this product only in the shop page, like only in the shop page, so you can enable this. If you want to if you want your product to be hidden, so you can select the hidden option also. Okay, if you want the product to be only visible in the search results only, you can select this option. Always select shop option and the search results option, because this is the important option, because the product should be visible in the shop page, and also the customers who wants to search this product, they can also search from this search bar. Okay, so you need to enable this option only. Okay, and later in the upcoming tutorials, when we design the home page, I will discuss about this. This is a future product option. Okay, right now this is not important, so let me click on OK and click on update. Okay, and now these are the features I want to cover. Okay,
If you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.